How's it going, guys? I'm okay, and if you watched the last video, you see that I did the B pillar, the Nismo product, and this one I'll be doing the Nismo A pillar. It's not labeled like the B pillar, but all the same, it's Nismo. Alright guys, so I'm going to finish up from here. I think I just dripped a drop of sweat right down in my clear epoxy. Nope, okay, alright, awesome. So anyway, that was a close call. So I'm going to clear coat the rest of this. I'm also going to do the hatch. That's going to be in a separate video. So as you saw right there, those scratches, they are gone. I mean, that is just, you know, magic trick if you ask me. So anyway, like, share, and subscribe for more content. And as always, stay tuned.